Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, as you already know that the off-campus recruitment drive for Infosys 2021, the online assessments were conducted on 13th of June and the results are out. They have started sending you the selection email for the next round, which is your interview round for HR plus technical round. So today's video guys, we will be discussing about important topics and questions you would be, expected in the interview round for both technical and HR questions we would be discussing. So now we will discuss basically three topics. One is the technical questions which they can ask you, the theoretical questions. Then the second thing, in the technical questions itself they will ask you about the project, very important. And the the topic we will be discussing is the HR questions. So let's start about the first is projects, very important. So before moving on to the projects, I would like to tell you that your questions and the type of questions which interviewer will ask you will totally depend upon the conversation between you and the interviewer. So how will that conversation start? That will be 100% start from tell me something about yourself. So while you tell something about yourself, you introduce yourself. It is very important that you prepare this question very thoroughly about yourself, how to present your skills and everything, important points what you need to tell very precisely, very shortly. So now the interviewer picks a few questions from the resume itself, like about your project, about your skills, about your certifications, workshops, or internships, etc. So now talking about the project, it is very important that you have to be very thorough with your project. Now, so they can ask you like, did you do this project alone, or was it a team project? How did you manage to do it in the pandemic because you were not together? How did you manage? How did you communicate with each other? So this is very important. Next thing about the project is, if they ask you that, if you want to change something in your project, what is that thing you want to change about that project to improve that project? And then they can ask you about what is the positive point about the project and what is the negative. So all in all, you can say that while explaining these questions, they would you grasp that, they would judge that each and everything about the project. Also very important, they will get to know that you did this project on your own, right? You are not lying or something that I have done this project, I've done that project. If you have done that project on your own, 100% you will be knowing in depth and each and every end-to-end points of your project. Also a few things like challenges faced during the projects are a few questions they can ask you. So this was all in all about how to, the questions about projects. Now let's talk about the topics which they can ask you about the technical questions. So first of all, very important, that OOPS, software development life cycle and the stages of it, database management system, then your data structures, RDB, MS. These are the important topics. Regularly they ask questions from these topics actually. So you have to be a bit, basics should be clear for you people. One of the very important question is, are you aware of the recent trends in IT sector? So very important that you have to be very so this is something that this is related to the current affairs, or knowledge of the industry knowledge you are having or not. Are you aware of the industry knowledge? So they can ask you, they can pick you points that are you aware of any industry? So you can tell them that, yeah, recently I heard about this, I have read somewhere that this particular thing has launched or XYZ. You can just tell them through examples, very important. Then the next questions, technical questions could be like merge sort, then linked list, then constructor chaining, then LED and difference between LED and LCD screen, then type of testing, then you have what are the pointers, then what is cloud computing technique. You have to give examples. So these are the questions they can ask you from. Also they'll ask you to write codes, fine, a very short code, like for example they can give you one they can ask you to write a program of a pattern of pentagon, right? They can ask you like to write a code using any of the languages, they can ask you to write code, so you have to show them and write code. So be calm, be take your time, and don't panic that they have asked something very tricky question and something. Take your time and then answer. If you don't know the answer, just tell them that you are not aware of this and you will research about this later on. So this is how you can tell them. It is not necessary that you'll know each and every questions. It is not possible actually, but yes, it is good to have each and every knowledge you can research before interview. So these are the important topics. Also, they can ask questions like difference between, so like difference between C++, difference between C++ and Java, like this. So what are the difference between? So these are the difference between questions. There are n number of questions. I'll try to give you a PDF link in the description box of all these topics and questions, so that it's helpful for you people to prepare. So now let's guys move on to the HR questions now. So first of all, the basic questions which they ask, their favorite question is the tell me something about yourself. So you have to prepare each and everything, like be short and precise, be confident, and tell very basic. Don't like speak. Like it should be short and precise, so that a summary of yours resume basically is your tell me something about yourself. Fine. So this is something they'll ask you. Then after that, they can ask you like what are your goals and what are your plans next 5 years, where do you want to see yourself. So these are the questions which HR can ask you about. The next question could be why do you want to join forces. So very basic, like why do you want to join in forces, that you have heard about it, you have researched about in forces, that these are the plus points, pros and advantages to join in forces. You can just tell them briefly that why you want to join Infosys over the other companies, right? So this is how, you can, it's up to you how you explain. Then they can ask you about strength and weaknesses. Now the strength, obviously it's not very much a problem. For weaknesses, now be careful that you don't end up saying such weaknesses which is related to your job, directly related to your job. For example, I am not very good at programming is my weakness, for example. Just I'm taking to make you understand. So don't tell them, because that will show them that that will show that you are not good at programming, or you are not good at something which is related to that job. So why will they hire you, right? Why will they select you? So don't end up giving any such weaknesses which is directly related to your job role. So this is a tip from my end. Apart from this, guys, you can expect situational questions from any kind of situation they can give you, that how will you react to it, how will you perform in that situation, or do act in that situation. They can ask you such questions. So you have that, actually shows how spontaneous you are, what you are thinking at particular point in time, so that it will reflect your personality. So be careful and be, take your time. Basically, don't hurry, don't be in a hurry, or don't rush. So this is something you need to keep in mind. Also, guys, this was all about the technical and HR round of Infosys. I hope you understood this. And the last point you need to keep in mind is be confident, with a smiling face. Don't be nervous. I know it is a bit, sometimes we get nervous, but yes, you have to be in mind, control yourself. That's it. So guys, I hope this video was informative. And yes, guys, we have launched our Telegram channel for the latest updates of all the jobs opportunities in 2021. So yeah, do check out that channel, and yeah, join that channel for the latest updates. Share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel for the latest updates. Till then, guys, bye, have a great day, be safe, take care.